going on, everybody? Lewis of the Way Your Kicks channel back again, and it's been a minute since I've done an unboxing, but if you're new to the channel, you wouldn't know that, but appreciate you guys tapping in here. We are going to be taking a look at a shoe that is supposed to be in commemoration of 30 years of this particular game, and you see here we got the sleeve on top with that Penny Hardaway symbol. Yes sir, this is the Nike Tekken Foamposite collaboration. In 1994 this game originally debuted, and now here we are 30 years later in 2024, and they're still making the game. Particularly Tekken 8 came out there for the different consoles, and let's go ahead and pull this out real quick, man. And the sleeve itself, you got to be a little careful taking this out because it doesn't want to cooperate all the way. But here's the sleeve itself, nothing too special about it, you know what I mean? But hey, you know what, it's pretty cool as far as the QC is concerned. But here's what we want to take a look at. Look at that graphic there on the front, man. I mean, damn, that is absolutely dope. And then you got Tekken 8 there written on the side. Label on here reads Air Foamposite 1 Premium Photon Dust Metallic Dark Gray. This is a size 12. Hit on the sneakers app. Super surprised I actually had to got them, because one, it's been a minute since I had to got them, and two, 1,300 total pairs. Man, they made these super limited, and they actually were getting kind of shock drop released at some of the video game conferences that were going on. I believe LA, and I believe there's another one in Atlanta. I'm not 100% sure. But real quick before I unbox these, want to let you all know something special. If you are interested in actually getting this shoe, please stay tuned through the rest of the video, because I'm going to let you in on how you could possibly become the new owner of this particular pair right here. In any case, let's go ahead and pop these open, and I'm gonna show you a graphic here on how you're really supposed to open these. What's dope is you open this up, and yeah, the shoes pop up as if it's like, you know, being presented to you. It's like, oh. Here we have the shoes themselves. This is the left one, and man, this is actually pretty nice in the way they made these. Now, I'm not the biggest Foamposite guy, but there's a lot of you out there that love the Foamposites, and really I just threw my name in it just to see like what would happen, you know, keep a little bit of activity going with my sneakers account, and I was super surprised I was able to hit on these. But man, we got like lightning graphics there all along the shoe in itself. We have some black here, black laces, guys. We got a nice little silver swoosh here on the outside of the shoe. You got that pull tab, kind of a burnt orange looking sock liner on the inside there. And then you got the Penny Hardaway symbol on the back. And taking a look here at the outsole. Now here on the outsole, it does say fist there under the toe, turning it so you can, you know, not have that glare, you know. But man, this is pretty dope. Now again, the left side says fist, okay? The right side on here actually says, let me turn it for you. Oh, I got to turn it the other way. Sorry about that. It says fate, as you can see there. Fist and fate. So, dope shoe, man. Again, burnt orange sock liner on the inside. And let me go ahead and take the insole foot pads out for you guys. And interestingly enough, look at this. A shoe tree. It's been a minute since I've seen a shoe tree with any of the sneakers. Usually we've been getting like that tissue paper with a lot of the shoes, you know what I'm saying? But hey, we finally stepped it up just a little bit, you know? But here's what the insole foot pads look like together. You know, you got a little Tekken symbol on one, and then you have the Penny Hardaway symbol on the other, and then the graphics of fire and flames. And you have a black swoosh here on the left sole, and then a more of a silverish kind of white swoosh there on the right one. But dope shoe in itself. Oh, I forgot to mention here at the top of the tongue tag, let me see here. You have what looks to be an 8. Okay, I had to double check, but that's an 8 there. At the top of the tongue there. And then on the right shoe, you actually have the Penny Hardaway symbol there in red. So that's a nice little, you know, feature on there. Let me see if there's anything else inside the shoe itself. I'm not seeing anything necessarily in here that needs to really be pointed out, but I did say that you guys would have an opportunity to possibly be the owner of this shoe here in particular? Well, I'm actually going to be conducting a raffle on this sneaker, and I'm gonna do, let's see, 30 slots, $10 a slot. So if you guys are interested in that, you know, you can, here's my Cash App here to go ahead and enter, and I will be keeping a list. And as soon as we have all the slots full, I will be doing a spin wheel picker, but it's gonna be elimination style. So whoever is going to be left as the #1 person, the last person left there in the wheel, will actually be able to go ahead and win this pair. So if you're interested in being a part of the raffle, make sure you go ahead and reach out to me. $10 a slot, guys. And make sure you're following me on IG, because I will be putting out more information concerning the raffle on this shoe. But let me know what you guys think here of the Nike Foamposite Tekken collaboration. This is one of 2 sneakers. The other one should be dropping sometime here soon. Let me know though, guys, what you all think about them, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.